Okay, dryer vent cleaning or clogged dryer vents can be a fire hazard, or reasons to clean your dryer vent. Okay, today would like to share with you and talk about dryer vent cleaning and reasons to get your dryer vent cleaned. It's something that's out of sight, out of mind, definitely not on most of our lists. The only way it does make it on our list is if it gets inconvenient and inconvenient enough that clothes in the dryer don't dry, and you're putting them through part of a second cycle or multiple cycles because they're just not drying. Is typically how and why we even become conscious of a dryer vent problem at all. But when that happens, it's indicative that, or an indication that the dryer vent is severely clogged and it's not able to push the same airflow through the dryer vent, and so the airflow is significantly reduced and the clothes are slow to dry. That's an inconvenience. It wastes energy because you're putting it through more cycles than you need to get them dry. Those are convenience and saving money are both really good reasons to maintain the dryer vent and clean it occasionally and keep your dryer working efficiently and correctly. There's another really good reason, and that is when lint builds up in the dryer vent and restricts the airflow, it can lead to fires. And dryer vent problems and dryer vents being clogged is within the top 10 causes of residential house fires on any list that you look at. Sometimes it ranks higher than others, but always within the top 10. It's a significant factor that leads to fires. As the lint builds up in the dryer vent, it builds up more and more, and then the buildup backs up further and further and more into the dryer. And then when the buildup in the dryer is also significant, dryer lint is extremely flammable. And when any of it touches the heating element or surfaces that get hot enough inside the dryer, and extended run times and lack of airflow, dryers can get very hot. It will ignite, and typically that's where the fire starts, is in the dryer, just inside the back of the dryer, and then it spreads from there. But once it gets a start, the dryer lint is very flammable. So another good reason to be mindful of, clean your dryer vents. If they're more than just a short distance that you can do with the hose of a shop vacuum, then it's a service that you need done professionally. There's specialized tools for cleaning those dryer vents.